I so thought he was gonna go in the water.
Yeah, the water's not that deep. Just try it. Tight run it really hard. I'll back up.
Whoa. It's inches from the water. Oh!
How much do you like those jumper cables?
Let's see if we can get it to jump off here.
No, just pop it. Put it in fifth gear and just try to pop it into the water. Just try it.
Yeah, then I get further in there. How about I was, when you guys driving?
No, well, I'll ease the chain. I'll pull
Which
you out.
one's the worst? You think you go down here and I'll just use these?
Just try to pop it in fifth. Pull the thing out. Give it some gas and fucking just hit it. Hit it. Hit it!
Oh!
You fucking idiot!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is great.
We're clean, man. The minute I hit there, just slid on this shit all the way in. Oh, we're not gonna be able to push it out.
I got some marine rope, if that might work. It's gonna take me forever to finagle it off the
What
canoe.
about that tie strap?
Then I won't be able to get home.
You're a fucking idiot. You guys really fucking... Dude, we gotta fucking wrap that thing around there and tow you out.
That's fine.
I'm not going in the water.
That's fine. Just back up to here and I'll do it.
Oh, fuck, you're an idiot. Oh, jeez.
Wait, what does he need, a jump?
Yeah, you ain't jumping out that far.
Yeah, I can't jump it now.
I hope I can pull you out. It's kind of fucking slippery.
I know, that's the problem. That's
Here, I'll go in.
He
No,
just
here.
slipped.
Here, look.
Those are gonna snap.
Yeah, this is...
And you got it in the water too?
Watch it, watch it. Back up, back up.
Watch, don't come onto this, Hunter.
You're a fucking moron.
You got AAA?
Not the tractor.
I can just have my dad come with the chain.
Just fucking tie it around your drawbar.
I don't know if this is going to work. They're just going to stretch and snap.
We can hope.
Let's see if we can get that rope off the canoe. I'm gonna stop videotaping.
Hopefully nobody...
I got enough. I gotta help. Sorry, people. Wait, Melissa, take the camera.
Not every day you see this. Of course, I wanted to take a picture of your guys' too.
still
It's
filming?
not every day.
Oh, I got video. This is going up on United FM. I'm the owner of the station.
Go.
Hold on. If that fails, we're gonna have to break the rope loose. Nice and easy.
What the hell did the tie get out? No way.
Ah! Shit. All right, let's break the rope. Hold on.
What if you unpick your battery and one of us just held your battery here?
My battery's...
He already broke the cables.
I meant this thing. This.
No, they ain't gonna work. Hold on. Let's get the marine line. All right. Sorry, people. I have to stop videotaping and help. Over and out. Wait, I'll have Melissa operate the camera.
No! Oh, dude, if you went in another like 3 inches, your car would be underwater. Come on! Oh, dude, these guys got boats. They can come tow us out. Look at them looking. They're like, what the fuck? Dude, well, you're famous now. Yeah. Something like fucking Channel 3 News.
No, UnitedFM.com.
This is fucking marine grade line. This
Yeah,
should hold it.
that'll work.
That'll be on UnitedFM.com. Internet radio station.
Great. Yeah, I know.
Jump.
Is that how we gonna jump start? Is that how my jump?
No, the minute he pulls me out, I'll be able to pop start on there. Hopefully, I'll just not come down so far.
Dude, the fish are eating the fucking oil. These eat oils like fucking Torrington, Connecticut style. Dumb fucking rednecks.
This is awesome.
Be a redneck than anything else.
This shit is. You didn't get that, did you?
Yes.
Here, how's your grab? Come down on the I'm down on the draw bar.
I'm gonna take a picture of this because it's fucking hilarious.
Well, this shit's slippery. No wonder why he's slippery.
Yeah, that's the minute I hit this.
I'm surprised he's going all the way.
Yeah, I got that on video.
Oh shit. I gotta take a picture of this.
Smile. Hey,
Fill
get
up,
back in
thumbs
your
up.
picture.
Redneck style.
I gotta put. Oh,
Alright, let's do this before DEP comes.
You get a big fine for the oil.
We gotta blur out their faces on YouTube.
Yeah.
And I slide back in, I'm going all the way in.
There's no way that line will break.
Yeah, but I just have to not.
Poke boats. Wait, he's still. Oh! You need someone to clutch it? Let's see if my rope saves the day. Got me falling in the water. That's great. These don't have a lot of traction, people. Oh my God. Oh, it'll hold. Fuck it, go.
Fire's all wet.
Woo. Let's not show that.
There goes the jumper cables.
Those are jumper cables.